Well, hello, team. I'd like to welcome you to INTD 670. That is Leadership and Ethical Decision Making. Welcome to our course. I look forward to working with you. My name is Dr. Jim Luby. I will be your instructor slash facilitator for this course. What you'll see each week is I will prepare some of these videos, and you'll find them in the announcement each week, so that I can give you kind of an overview of what to expect. However, since this is the first chat, the first discussion that I'll be presenting to you on the video, let me cover some of the essentials, if you will, as we go through this course. We will begin this course in Unit 1, and there are 5 units, obviously, in the course. And we will start talking about things centered on leadership approaches, leadership styles, etc., etc. Now, for this course, you will find that there is a course scenario that we will be relying on each and every week as we conduct our learning and we complete our assignments each week. Basically, the scenario presents 2 companies that are preparing to merge. One is called UWear, one is called Pale Denim. They're looking to merge, obviously, clothing companies and so on. You'll find as you review the course scenario that they are different types of companies with similar products, different distributions. One is publicly held, one is privately held, but it's your focus to go review all that. Now, the role that you will assume throughout this course in this scenario is that you are the consultant to the 2 leaders, Teresa and Mike, in this course scenario. You will be there to help guide them through the company merger each and every week as we obviously learn about different topics involved with the merger, leadership, and obviously focus on ethics as well. But for this first introduction and this first video, what I really wanted to cover are just some of the things you need to be aware of. Now, for the unit, you will have 2 discussion boards and an individual project. The discussion boards, the first one is the traditional introductory board where you'll introduce yourself to your peers. The second one will begin to focus on some of the things about leadership styles, and so on. Then you'll have a Unit 1 individual project, which will focus again on the course scenario, and you will talk about your own leadership styles and how does that apply and what styles make you successful and so on. Ultimately ending up with a discussion in that assignment on make believe you were the leader in this merger or one of the leaders in this merger. How would you specifically lead the 2 companies coming together towards a successful merger? Now, some of the things I want to talk about here are what I call logistics. You will hear me discuss those at chat each week. I encourage everyone, please, if your schedule permits, attend the live chat each week. You will find that the first thing I do in each week in the chat, I will cover briefly the due dates, what's due from the previous week. At the end of the chat, I will go into detail on the requirements for the assignments for that week, whether it's discussion boards or individual projects. I'll cover all that. My entire intent there is to do this, is to point you in the right direction based on all the material I will cover during chat, right? I obviously in an hour chat, I can't cover every possible topic, but I will hit all the key elements that you need to go take, research further so that you can have a successful learning for the week plus your assignments. So I encourage you to attend live. Now, just as important, if you are not able to attend live because of your schedule, please listen to the recorded archives that are available immediately after chat is posted, because once again, I will cover everything you need to know for the week. I will hit the highlights of each topic and then cover the assignments and allow obviously any questions for those that are attending live. And that's an important engagement obviously in the process. Next, your assignments, APA format must be followed. So refer to your APA format, your APA manual, as well as the CTU writing guide that I email out the first week of every course that I lead. Make sure you have your references. Make sure you properly cite the references. Make sure it's original work. At the master's level, what we're looking for is to make sure that you do the research, combine that with your opinions and assertions and experiences, synthesize that material to create a new body of knowledge on that particular topic that week. So, please follow APA format. Your assignments are checked for similarity. That's also critical. You will see each week I will tell you, please submit your papers through the Turnitin process for a similarity review before submitting for grading. Once it's submitted for grading, if you have a high similarity score percentage, I need to review it, see what I can do about that. It may ultimately need to be submitted to CTU Academic Integrity Review, and that's not where we want to go. We want to do things right, okay? But I want to let you know that up front. Each week, the announcements, check the emails, engage in all that to make sure you understand what the learning is for the week and so on. So I just wanted to give you some of the highlights of what we'll talk about. I'll hit some of these during the first chat as well. But more importantly, I want to welcome each and every one of you to INTD 670. I truly look forward to working with you throughout the course, and you'll find that I will be engaging with you throughout the course. So let's get it rolling. Let's have a great time in this course, and I believe you're really going to enjoy the material. Take care, folks, and see you next week.